Hey everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are talking all things hair and hair care. So little bit of a backstory. I bleach my hair. As you can see, it is blonde with a lot of regrowth, unfortunately. But I have suffered from dry hair. Now I'm lucky enough that my hairdresser is incredible and she doesn't get a lot of breakage when she does my hair. However, if you are using bleach, of course, there is going to be some form of dryness and damage, let's be honest. So I have been testing out some new products from the brand WELLA Professional, and I have here, so this is the Reconstructive Elixir, which looks like that, if you can see that. This is the Keratin Protect Shampoo. And the last product that I've been using is the Keratin Restore Hair Mask, which looks like that. So the first product we'll talk about is this one, which is the Reconstructive Elixir. So for reference, this one is a 100ml bottle, and this retails, let me double check, for $46.95. So what this says, it has argan oil, jojoba, and almond oil in it. You just apply 1 to 2 pumps and distribute throughout your hair for instant lasting smoothness. Do not rinse out. This is something that I use more so when I'm styling my hair or like going somewhere, to be honest. It's not something that I put on every day at all, but can I just say the difference is actually incredible. It creates like a shine, it makes your hair feel just softer and nicer, even if you haven't washed it. It is actually really amazing. So I have really been enjoying this, and particularly because I do curl my hair quite often when we're out of lockdown. So when I curl my hair, I put it, basically rub my hands together with it in, and then I just go through the curls, and it creates this stunning effect that your curls just look more like put together in a way and less frizzy, so your hair looks a lot neater, which I really love. The smell of all of these products has been incredible as well. Like, I highly recommend. Also, for reference, this whole line is professional salon grade products as well, so they are quite affordable, I would say, which is great, which gives, you know, more people can access them and then enjoy healthier hair, which is always amazing. This is the shampoo that we'll be talking about next. So I've only used this a couple of times, as you can see, maybe twice I've used this. Now for reference, so this one is a 200ml bottle, and this retails for $28.95. So what it says with this one to do, just massage into damp hair and rinse thoroughly. So of course there's nothing like different to any shampoo. Do I notice a difference? To be honest with this, I don't, or I haven't really noticed a difference. I feel like maybe if they had like a shampoo and conditioner set, I know there is the hair mask, but I just feel like, yeah, I don't really notice a difference at all with this. So would I repurchase this? Probably not, and I probably wouldn't recommend it. I feel like it is a very expensive shampoo. Yes, I do think that it does make your hair feel clean, but yeah, I wouldn't repurchase this. And the last product is the Keratin Restore Hair Mask. So this one is 150 mils, and this retails for $28.95. So with this one, you just use it as any mask. So I have used it after shampooing my hair, just left it on in the shower, or I've actually used it dry on my hair and then got into the shower and shampooed, conditioned afterwards. Now, definitely I feel like this product does make a big difference. If I was to choose 2 of these products, I would definitely recommend the Reconstructive Elixir and the hair mask. If I had to bring it down to one, I would probably go with the hair mask. It creates such a stunning shine. It makes your hair feel so soft and so silky. It smells amazing as well. It is honestly such a really amazing hair mask. I know there are so many different hair masks on the market, so Will this work for everyone? I don't think so, but it is enriched with, you know, jojoba oil, argan oil, almond oil, and it just like will not leave your hair oily at all. It just leaves it feeling healthy, silky, and smooth. So I hope you guys found this helpful. If you have any of these products, let me know your thoughts, or let me know what your favorite hair products are. Maybe I can try those as well. I'm getting really into hair care, so definitely let me know. I would love to hear from you, and as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.